Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you how to download Firebase Studio Project, full guide. First, go to studio.firebase.google.com and sign in to your account. Once logged in, click on My Workspaces and select the project you want to download. For example, you might choose a demo project like a pedometer app. After selecting your project, it will open in a new page. By default, the project opens in prototyper mode, which doesn't allow you to download the files directly. To enable downloads, go to the top right corner and switch the mode from prototyper to code. Once you switch to code view, the left side of the screen will display the full file explorer with all your project files. Next, locate the SRC folder in the Explorer panel. Right-click on it and, if prompted, click Allow to grant permission. Then select the Zip and Download option. This will package your project files into a zip folder and begin downloading them to your computer. The download time and file size will depend on how large your project is. And that. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.